Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show the process of transforming this unfinished bathroom into this epic Raider bathroom. So stay on this channel to find out how. Today I'm going to describe how this guy transformed this unfinished bathroom. Hey buddy, you mind editing a photo of the bathroom so viewers know what the hell I'm talking about? Man, you are good with video editing software. Are you? Okay, finally he's got the pictures showing.
I've never even been in a picture before.
Shut up, Meg, I'm busy.
Dad, sometimes I wonder why you even have family.
I don't know. I was dating your mother. I don't like the way condoms feel. Next thing you know, I got a mortgage, a kid, and a crappy job at a toy factory. Now go away, Meg, I'm trying to get this voice thing done.
What do you mean you don't know, Peter?
Look, can we please talk about this later? For the love of God, I'm trying to get this done. Now leave me the hell alone, all of you. So, starting out, you can see I had quite a bit of work to do. I had no walls, no electrical, no plumbing except for the shower, and just completely bare. So the first step was getting some drywallers in to give an estimate. Got my estimate, and now I'm going to start running electrical and frame the areas I need to. Got all the wiring ran for the electrical outlets and switches and got the drywallers in to start on it. They were able to get the whole basement drywalled. But that is for another video. Today it's all about the bathroom, baby. I was able to paint the ceiling and walls after they sprayed the drywall a couple days ago. First thing I needed to get the painting done, and then it was time for the flooring. I used the core loops. The color is Coal Creek Oak, which has been discontinued. Well, unfortunately, I can't post a link in the description. Finished the trim around the floor and door jamb. The cabinet I purchased from Menards is a Magic Woods Elements Brighton. 30-inch wide by 21 3/4. Deep dark chocolate bathroom vanity cabinet.
I sell propane and propane accessories.
Hey, run video, buddy. You do the next video, not this one.
My mistake.
The faucet is the Tuscany free fall. Own handle for it. I just did Menards also. The toilet I picked out was the Toto Drake 2 because of the gallons per flush and the Vortex flush technology. It uses 1.28 gallons per flush with tornado flush technology. Plumbing is hooked up. Installed mirror and lights also. Time to put some Raider decals on the door. I really like Al Davis' quote, when you have great coaches, you get great players. When you have great players, you have a great organization. You tell the players just one thing, just win, baby. It's too bad at this point in time, the Raiders organization doesn't have this mentality. Hopefully it will. In this picture, the curtain, toilet cover, and rugs are all installed. My curtain rod holders are even Raiders too. The final image is the bathroom completely finished. I think it turned out amazing. For the first time, I ever remodeled a bathroom or built one from scratch. Here is a side-by-side comparison. Thank you all for watching this video, and remember to smash that subscribe button to get updates on all his videos, and please hit that like button.